Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Sanjay. Firstly, gonna tell you that you won't get regret after seeing this video. You are going to learn so much useful information from this video, like how to create websites like ChatGPT, what is LLMs, what is Gradio, what is Google Collab, and how I created a website like ChatGPT. So many things you are learning in this video, so don't skip this video. In this video, I am mainly talking about the information which many of the people don't know till now. I recently attended a Generative AI Mega Workshop conducted by Nxtwave, hosted by Rahul Attuluri sir. We learned so much information from this Generative AI Mega Workshop, and I will be share some of them in this video. My total AI Generative Workshop notes will be given in the description. Please check it out. You will be get cleared about all of these topics. And now I am going to discuss about the Generative AI tools which will make your life easier. You must know these AI generative tools to make your life easier. ROITR, Jasper, Right, Sony, Copy.ai, Dalai 2, Midjourney, Dreamweaver, Wombo, Crayon will be used for image generation. NVML, DeepBrain, Pixstory. These tools are used to generate videos using text message. Morph.ai, Flicky are the audio generation tools. Hugging Face, MusicGen, Mobret and Beatbot are music generation AI tools. Now the interesting fact is that a movie is created using this generative AI. Like the movie is also available in YouTube. The movie name is The Frost. So you can also watch it. The movie is awesome. The total movie is generated using AI. So you must watch this movie. And you can also gain some knowledge after watching this movie, The Frost. Duration of the movie is about 12 minutes. So now I am going to explain you the nuts and bolts that I learned in the Generative AI Mega Workshop, like LLM, LangChain, Gradio, PlayHT, Hugging Face, Google Collab, Vector Database, etc. So I am briefly discussing about the every topic. First of all, LLM is a large language model which consists of the resources like 1 billion books of knowledge in it, and like it consists of the so much millions of CPU, TPU, GPU, and it will take so much time and cost to develop, like many years, like 20-30 years to develop it, and so much cost, and the entrepreneurs will fund it to develop. You all know that you are using ChatGPT. It is developed by OpenAI. The OpenAI also developed a LLM, that is large language model OpenAI. So I think now you got clarity about what is LLM. So LLM is a large language model which consists of so much billions of books of knowledge in it and so much resources in it. So it will take time to develop. And next one is LangChain. LangChain is a framework designed to simplify the creation of applications using LLMs. It's mainly used to build the chart-based applications. And next important one is the Gradio. Gradio is an open source Python's library. It helps to create a creative interactive UI for your machine learning models in a quick and easy manner. It is specifically designed for generative AI models. A Google Collab is a free cloud-based platform provided by Google that allows users to run and execute Python code through a web browser. Like we can all combine and or merge to make a website like ChatGPT. We use LLMs, LangChain, Gradio, PlayHT, Hugging Face, etc. etc. We all merge these codes in a Google Collab and make a website like ChatGPT. Hugging Face. Hugging Face is a website. This is a AI community building the future. The platform where the machine learning community collabs on models, datasets, and applications. It is like a GitHub where all the coders meet. Like they will share their new code datasets or new codes like they develop, or they will contribute to the some of the other codes, etc. etc. And these are the nuts and bolts we learnt in the Generative AI Mega Workshop. Now we will see my own style of ChatGPT which I was created from the Generative AI Mega Workshop. We'll go into the parts. Like first we will go to the code and we'll walk through into the code, like what are the parts in that code to make my own style of ChatGPT, and then we'll see the my own style of ChatGPT and testing it how it works. It works like ChatGPT or some lesser than the ChatGPT or more than the ChatGPT, and giving the link of that project and giving the link of my notes in description. You can also check it out. If you want the dedicated video how I created my own style of ChatGPT and how you can create your own style of ChatGPT, then please comment. We will try to make a dedicated video on it by explaining the code in deep to create yours, and we will provide that code of it. Guys, this is my code to develop my own style of ChatGPT. You can see here we have installed LangChain, OpenAI, Gradio, Hugging Face. So we will install all of these discussed in the video, and we are again importing the Gradio, LangChain, chart models, LangChain memories, and etc. etc. And we will run this, and then it will execute and it will install all of these, and we will give the OpenAI secret key as we are using OpenAI LLM. So after giving the OpenAI secret key, we will give template as our own style of messaging. Like you are an enthusiastic high school student passionate about sciences and exploration, you can also change it. It will give the reply for the user as per your template, and after pasting the security key, you should change the template as yours. Them change, and we are using the chart OpenAI, so you should give the model name of the chart OpenAI and the temperature, and next we should define that the text responses and etc. And we will also give the examples for the users to search in the search bar, like how are you doing, what are your interests, which places do you like to visit. We can also edit it, so it will display under the chart search section. And in the demo launch we can also launch the code and check if the code is working properly or not. If the code works properly, and you can also publish it into the Hugging Face, and you can also create your Gradio link and will paste it into the your HTML, CSS, JavaScript code, and it will make your website into a chart, like ChatGPT. So after running the demo launch, if it works well, you should go into the next part of the code, like publishing your code in the Hugging Face. First you should give your token number, you should give your token valid ID. So for the login of the Hugging Face, you should create spaces in the Hugging Face, and you should space your you should copy your space name and paste it in the code. And next there are some code, you should run them. We will go into the deeper of the code and check how the website has been designed. And you are seeing my CCBP 4.2 Academy portal now. This is my portal, and there is code snippets in the left corner. Selecting my AI bot, and now I am opening my AI bot code snippet, and you can see this is HTML. You can also edit it in your way, like you can also edit it in your way and make yours. Like this is CSS code, this is to style the HTML, like you can also style it, like this is the CSS code to style the website using HTML and CSS. This is the JavaScript code, and you should paste your Gradio link in the HTML code in the middle. In the dedicated video I will say you how to paste your Gradio link and etc. Now we are testing our own style of ChatGPT here. I am asking that hey, suggest me some good places to visit in USA. So it will generate a response accordingly, but it will generate the response somewhat late, because we are using the free version of the OpenAI credits. It will take some time and generate the response. You can see the response is generated. This is my OpenAI website. You can also see I asked it, suggest me some best places in USA. It given me 10 of them, 10 of the best places to visit in the USA. So this is my own style of ChatGPT website. You can also search it in the Google or any browser, like chatgpt.ccbp.tech. I also provided the link in the description. You can also open it from there, or otherwise you can also search it like chatgpt.ccbp.tech, and the whole notes of the Generative AI project or Generative AI Mega Workshop is given in the description. You can also check it out. This is my interface, like user experience, or you can also check it or you can explore it. Thank you for spending your time on this video, and hope you liked it.